In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily convert your PowerPoint presentation into a PDF. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so once you have your PowerPoint presentation up like so, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go up here to File. All right, seems simple enough. Then what you're going to do is do Export. Then you're going to want to create a PDF. Awesome. Create PDF right here. It's going to load up. It's going to ask you where you want to save your file. And then once you're happy with the location, you can just say publish. All right. Then what's going to happen is it's going to publish it there. So you just have to wait a few seconds for this window to go away, and it's processing right down here. All right. And now you have officially, as it's loading, your PowerPoint presentation as a PDF. Now, if you're not sure where to find this, just go to wherever you saved it. I saved mine on my desktop, so the file's there, but it's also showing right here as well for me, which is awesome. And that is just a super quick way on how you can convert your PowerPoint presentation into a PDF. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did like this video, make sure you have a thumbs up, and if you could subscribe, I would greatly appreciate the support. Also, if you are interested in learning all things about PowerPoint, I do have a course on Udemy, so I have a link to that in the description below. But without further ado, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in future videos. Thanks.